I just received a very nice package for cabinet pulls and knobs. As you see, some of my knobs are not really good. It's an old shape and it's scrubbed. I ordered this one from Amazon. As you see, there are 12 of them here. They have different size. And the good part about this one, they are solid zinc. And you see the shape is very nice. It's a square shape instead of this round old-fashioned one. It's zinc. It has the nice fashion here. It will come with a screw. The good point for this screw over here, if I want to change it, I have two sides of a screw based on my cabinet. I have the longer size if I need it, and I have the smaller size. And it's very nice going on this one. This is the full zinc. This is very nice one, very stylish. It's matched with most of the cabinets and the color of the cabinets. You can see this one, it's come on different sizes here. It's very nice packaging. It's 10 of them here with two different size of the screw. It's really easy to work with this one, and I can do it even by myself. I don't need anything special. I can use this one and put it on my doorknob. I can even use two of these if I have two doorknob here. I can put instead of two, instead of one, I can use it even for two of them here. I got this product from Amazon. The good thing about this is being in the zinc. I completely recommend this one for you. It's very nice and handy one.